Alright. What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another H1z1 King of the Kill duos with my man Jelly.
Bonjour, comment ça va?
Bonjour, comment ça va? Comment
Dude, this kid's got the most OG name ever. Dad. Hey, Dad! Dad, why'd you leave me when I was 2? Dad, why'd you leave me when I was 2?
Oh my god, Pops! That's an OG name, dude. How do you even get that?
That's what I'm like.
He's
I tried to get God, but you can't get God because, like, it says like you can't get like God because apparently it's like a religious figure or something. I don't know. Alright, you see that cop car on the edge of the city?
I'll tell you when I can see the city. I can see it now.
See where I'm going?
Yeah, you're a little bit below me.
I'm gonna go for this parked car.
I'm going into this parked building right here. Look at this. Open this door for
building,
me.
did you just say?
The parked building. AR, dude. Look at my luck. Just give me a lammy.
Hey, same.
Where them lammies at?
Right here. Oh boy.
I didn't even hear the shrink. So I know you lying.
That's right, 'cause I didn't get one.
I got no helmet though, if that makes you feel any better. Which it shouldn't. That's messed up if it does.
What, that you don't have a helmet?
No, I have one. I finally found one. I can't even...
Ooh, another one. Ooh, another one. I don't want to triple AR. I'm sorry, game. It's just not gonna happen.
That's messed up. Now you need to start giving me ammo.
Talking about what?
I'm talking about you need to start throwing that ammo straight towards me. In my hands.
Now I got 120. I also got 2 extra 10 militaries.
I have no 10 military.
Drop you.
Come on, stop closing that door. I'm gonna shoot this door. I'm gonna shoot it off the hinges, bro. Got first aids after first aids. Oh, I got a 10
Load
military.
my shotgun.
You can shred it.
Alright, I'm good.
Let me skin this. Where you at? You go like a building over? I'm gonna shoot at you from the roof. Oh, there's a 3rd floor. Dude, I would've just left this building.
I can already make makeshift.
Oh yeah? You wanna brag about anything else?
I just found another lammy.
Oh my god, okay, I'm about to shoot you in the head.
I'm joking.
I'm about to do the little switcheroo right here.
Seals. Alright, you wanna hop in the cop car?
If I can find more AR, dude, that would be awesome.
I can take you to a truck.
Oh. Okay. You can take me to a truck?
Oh.
Is that like an incentive? Yeah. I'm coming either way. That was awesome. Thank you. I'm coming. I got 240 AR now.
Well, the boy needs something.
Nah. I see that makeshift. I got I changed my sight from green, the color of it from green to red. It's a little easier to see now. I like it. Oh, okay. See what you're talking about.
I'm gonna change up my back to that. Alright. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me!
No. Going in there?
Oh, good thing we came in here.
You got one?
We've been joking around about lammies. Why joke now?
Yeah, why fuck around? You can have the real deal.
Yeah, bro. Like I just got the real deal.
Fabrics though.
Okay.
As I say that. Talk shit, dude. Alright. There's gonna be no lammies in this building. Trust me, dude. There's just no way.
You already grabbed one.
Damn. There's no lammies. Here's someone walking. I'm up.
Ooh, ah. Yo, you missed the lammy. Behind the counter in the bathroom.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, yeah, let's go.
I'm not getting in that truck, dude. Thing
Where do we
drives
gotta
way
go?
too slow.
Alright, we gotta go. Southeast.
Yo, when they're driving, you ever aim for the tires? It's usually 2 shots. If you hit them dead on with the rubber, they pop.
Yeah, bro, totally.
That didn't go very good.
Wait, you thought I would actually believe that?
I don't know. I was testing. A little test.
Bro, with the amount of time I played this game, bro, I think I would believe that. Ooh, pretty, pretty.
Look at these kids.
I hit one so many times.
I'm just gonna go hump them.
Yeah, I'm sorry, you guys. We just had to do it.
I'm gonna go hump them.
We're ruthless. We're
Aw,
animals.
they left. He had 1 bandage. He already gotten it. He took
This kid
some-
only had 5 bandages and a machete.
This person had no weapon. I wasted too many bullets
This kid
on
literally
him.
had a machete.
I only started firing because I thought you were gonna clean both the kills. I was like, nah, this can't happen. So
I
just
almost did
unloaded
clean
it.
them both. I got that one kid, like, I think I hit him 3 times or 2 times.
Certain times I feel like I'm aiming right at them and shooting at them, but it's just doing nothing.
It's because it's not a hit scan game.
Yo, wait. Let me make sure.
Yeah, it's because it's not hit scan.
Wait, let me make a
You
second one.
had to aim in front of them. Eat your shots.
Alright, we're good.
Like,
Loot got reduced by 50, I'm pretty sure, unless it's just my game that's glitched.
it must be just your game is glitched. I'm still at 2200 with just a 10 military and the regular belt pouch.
That's messed up.
Hey, first aids.
What'd you say?
You need any first aids? You need any
I
first
have
aids?
8.
Alright, yeah.
Dance, boy. You didn't jump or anything. You're supposed to be jumping around and stuff.
Nah, bro. I jump around when you know your teammate's got a crappy shot.
That was aim.
Alright, yo, what's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another.
No, he doesn't
Dub
deserve
video.
this intro. Nope, not that. No, you just missed what you just said. That's some fucked up shit.
we just killed kids with no weapons. I don't know how they had no weapons this late in the game. One kid had like a machete, that's it. Yeah, we just got to loot it up. I basically just skipped the looting phase because that was my favorite part of watching the videos. Might be your favorite, I don't know.
Screw loot. I'm gonna make a second channel just for loot. It's gonna be named Loot
Just Loot Simulator 2017.
TBXF. Just
Alright,
me looting for like 24 hours.
I'll join.
No kills.
Dude, just
Oh,
like
that
the
compound
one kid who
left?
counted like 100,000 for 24 hours.
I might not have been covered. I'm glad you didn't go to the left. Alright, did you not hear me when I said go to the left?
No, I just knew there wasn't one. Yeah, but
That's fucked up.
this game's
Yo, 4-wheeler?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I shoot at him.
Yeah, one. Yo, get in.
Coming. If you can kill that second kid, that'd be great. Thank you.
It was bad because I had just switched to my shotgun. Oh, the crate's right there.
Grab it. It said like no AR. Literally no AR. Coming. Is there a sniper in it? If there is, let me grab it. Let me grab it. Hello.
My AR is glitched. It's glitched at 29 volts, so I don't really care.
Yeah, it's alright. I'll go back across this bridge. Yeah. Go right here so I can get shot at from the left so I can heal. You can pick up my Mr. Grin.
I know, I saw that. Let me pick it up. Pick it up.
Alright. Where they are. Right. How many extra helmets do you have?
2.
Alright, you wanna go loot those kids? I want an extra helmet. I only have one.
If you want, man. I'm sure people are coming for that smoke trail right now.
Smoke trail's gone.
No bombing runs though. No one grabbed it. It's just confusing as fuck.
Oh, there's the Jeep. Jeep.
Okay, wait. They see us? 1 sec. Be careful. Good shit.
Got one.
Aw, dude, good shit, but
Thanks,
I
bro.
wanted to kill that kid.
Up towards you. I'm coming up here at least.
Good snipes though. That's why I give it to you.
Thanks.
I shoot the sniper and my bullets never connect, so I don't even try no more.
Oh, this kid a lammy. Oh, it's cracked, so you can take it.
Oh, let's get at a makeshift I took. He has 2
Get it. Okay,
2
I'm gonna drop
helmets.
some ammo for you.
I have ammo. I just picked up like 300.
Which kid? Right here.
Good snipes though, bro.
Thanks.
I put like 2 shots in the Jeep and it just started on fire. I'm like, dude, it surprised the shit
Yeah,
out of me,
bro,
so
that
I
Jeep
just
must have been
unloaded
so
at it.
low.
I bet
Yeah,
you.
you need to heal a bit.
Nah, I'm good. Let's go. Yeah.
Pick up that cracked lammy and put it in the car. Or actually, I will. Yeah, oh, I can hold it. Dang. Where are we going? Alright. Let's just chill around here, I guess. Yeah, I forgot to study the shots, or else I would have had a headshot on the first kid too. Yeah, I forgot to press my left alt. Study it. Oh, dude, that H1z1 duo Shalan kid just ran over a kid.
That's what I want to do. That game I deleted.
That's great. But you need to get shot in them because it only brings them down to like 20 if you just hit them directly.
What about if you like full speed hit them?
No, like it only brings them down to 20. You have to hit him once to kill him.
I hit his car into him. Do you think it did him any damage at all?
I don't know. No idea. I'm gonna read.
I have 2 fuels.
Alright, can you fuel it? One. Alright. 87 fuel. It's looking good. Anyone looted this? Yeah. Yeah, it's smoking though, so there's no gas in it, no point.
There's people in that barn, I bet, just camping. It's the middle of the
I
city,
don't think
they're
so.
probably, yeah, they're probably hiding out trying to ride it out. They think this might be their last spot in there. Oh, I saw him. Yeah, I saw him peek through the wall. His gun peeked through the wall. He's in that right corner, right to the right of you. Yeah, I see him, dude. Pretty sure.
Nah, bro. No one's in here. Med kit in there too, and military ammo shred.
It might have been the shadow though.
Probably. Yo, I have 43 bandages.
There's AR in here. You have 43 band. You want to drop that spare crack lammy for me?
I have it on.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. But it's just the same as makeshift.
I have no ingredients to make makeshift.
Oh. I can drop you something. Oh, I drop you all those. I'll drop you one of those. Pick it up. Two of those.
Alright, let's do it. Good shit. Let me make one real quick.
Actually, you should drive.
Alright.
So we can drive by kids with a sniper.
We're like in the middle right now, so there's probably
Do not go through the suburbs, please. I've seen too many Big Teeth videos where he just gets two-tapped out of a car. Yeah.
Yeah,
it's kind of ridiculous how many times you get two-tapped out of cars.
Yeah, I got straight one tapped out.
Yeah, I remember that yesterday or 2 days ago out of the Jeep. Almost waxed with these kids, bro. It's Call of Duty. Bro, if it's like a 2v1 at the end and I still have sniper ammo, I'm gonna try and no-scope him.
No, I guess so.
Yes, bro, because I still have no, because I still have the crosshair, and it's like, in the middle of the crosshair. Dang. Yo, like, he just got a 2K with his shotgun. Like, it's good. They're doing some elimination.
They're on that bridge right there. I'm gonna set up here.
I'll see him.
Get out right here. I'm gonna draw him out. Get out behind this tree. They're right to the right over here. He's peeking. I'm gonna make sure that he stands still.
I don't see him.
He's not.
I still don't see him. I still don't see him.
I'm gonna shoot him then.
Don't die, please.
Two tapped him.
Do you have a partner?
I don't know. I'm just healing up. I'm getting back over towards you.
Yo, what are you doing? You ran past me.
No, I know. It's a good thing I left. That's in the city, actually.
That kid's down in the city, Magnum. Yeah, you do that when I get out of the car.
I thought you had a good view on him. He was just peeking, staring at me, so I just hopped on top of the rock.
Yeah, bro, I couldn't see him. He must have had like a perfect angle, so like I couldn't see him because he was like behind a tree and on the ridge. Alright, so I could make 2 extra makeshifts. I have 1 extra makeshift that I can make 2 more. Alright. That's good. Alright, do not go through the city.
No, I'm just seeing
probably.
He's
probably on a roof.
It would be better if you shoot him. They have to be for a long time before they get shot. Yeah, there's someone on that roof. I saw him running down the stairs.
What one?
The middle.
Gray one?
No, don't get up.
I'm not, but like...
It was that tall, yellow one right next to the
gray one?
The red one.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if I want to even do this though.
It must be on a roof.
Yeah, I'll just get in, screw it. Is it ending here in the city?
It might. Honestly, I don't think it will. I think it's gonna end by the shopping mall.
Let's go. Switch to an AR.
Okay. Check it angle. Yeah, they must be on a roof. Watch out, the Magnum is down here. Oh, you're going right? I don't like this play. I really don't like this. I really do not like this.
We gotta see where they were. I didn't see no one.
Yeah. Alright, let's go out towards the suburbs a bit. Stay to like the west of the suburbs. Yeah, so on the other side, yeah.
Ooh, I didn't know this little gap.
Can't go through it. Can't go through. Oh, bro.
Dude, when you were saying that, I was like, dude, this could actually be true. This might be a little push for you to blow up or something.
We would have blown up. I would have been so mad, honestly.
Imagine that. These kids are just so intriguing. They want to go after them.
Yeah, dude, I want to know where they are. Alright, yeah, just go around the west side though. There'll be more people here, probably.
No one's died.
There's probably a bunch of people camping in houses. Or it's not even that late. I'm kind of yawning.
Yeah, drink some juice. Eat some food, drink some juice.
I need to eat mad food. I'm so hungry. Oh, if we got trapped under that fence, like our car and it blew up, I would have been so pissed.
Cop car.
Oh, cop car straight ahead. Yeah.
Window this way.
Let me get my sniper out. They're so lucky they didn't stand still for another second. If they would have stayed still in that car for another second, I would have popped them.
Coming this way. No.
Yo, that kid's at 100? How is he still at 100? Bruh.
What's up? I shot at the kid that first peeked towards you on the hill. Because I didn't want you to die, and then that kid finally came over.
Just get the other kid. Like,
yeah, well.
If I'm on the right, I get the right kid.
You look like you're at a disadvantage.
Okay, so I took a sniper shot, and it wouldn't let me switch to my AR immediately. Like, I took a sniper shot, and I tried to switch, and it wouldn't let me do it for like 2 seconds. It's kind of annoying. Play this out, bro. Take my sniper.
Hell no, I'm not picking that up. Actually.
Yeah, bro, it's so good. Pick it up.
I'm dropping it.
Like,
AR, yes, right?
drop your second AR. Yeah.
I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Ooh, it's skinned too. I'm actually happy I picked that up.
Yeah.
Dude, you have so much shit.
Yeah.
Stay in here so I can see my kills. There's only 12 other people. I'm gonna ride this one out though. I'm gonna play it slow, edges.
Yeah, bro.
We got 9 kills so far, bro. Oh, I see a cop car. 2 of them.
Nice. Well, good luck, bro.
Oh, one person has a sniper. Oh, he's shooting at me with a sniper.
Shoot back.
I'm not challenging. Oh, I see him. Why is there just a cockroach on right here? Alright, boys. I just want that sniper. I don't need the other sniper on the battlefield. Need to play smart right now. I don't know if this kid's still alive.
Alright, yeah, I'm back.
What up, bro?
Did you win?
6 other people left. Got 1 more kill.
Alright, alright. Got it. Did you get with the sniper?
Nah, I hit marked a team of 2. Then tagged
Dang.
them up and then threw a nade, exploded the car a little, shelled the car, killed one of them, and then another team killed the other dude from behind.
Dang. So the other teams are just trying to get some sloppy seconds.
Yeah, that's alright though. I mean, the kids
Sloppy.
didn't seem like they were too good. But I'd rather... I wasn't even tagged up. Actually, they didn't even shoot me once, dude. They didn't land one bullet on me. Still got... I'm good. This might give me one.
Bro, what you gotta do though, cause the sniper's got a lot of sway. You have to press your left control, and that'll steady it.
Yeah, I know.
You can do that for an infinite amount of time.
I looked that up because I was like, yeah, I wonder if there's like any tricks for like steadying the aim, like holding your breath.
It's really easy. Really easy. Like medium range, get steady aim.
Yo, I'm getting sniped at from behind, but I see someone in the front right. Ready? Have explosive arrows. 3 people left.
Nice.
2 people left. They're both in cop cars. It's a team of 2. No, wait, there's one other person somewhere. Oh, is that a Jeep? There's a Jeep, right? No, there's not a Jeep. Fuck. The other kid's like stuck in the gas or something. I'm getting double pushed now.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Oh, that was unfortunate. They pinched me.
Dang.